Namaste to all of you. Differential equations, sixth lecture. In the fifth lecture, we discuss about the solving methods of differential equations. Present we are doing solving methods of differential equation. In this solving methods also, the first one, variable separable method is completed. Variable separable method. So in this variable separable method means in the given differential equation we have to separate the variables. After separating the variables by integrating you will get the solution. So that is the variable separable method. It's already over. Now we will discuss the second method. That second method is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. First of all, in order to enter into this homogeneous differential equation, here first we have to discuss about the what is a homogeneous function. What is a homogeneous function? Homogeneous function means in the pair of straight lines already we discussed. Okay, for example, if we take ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to, let this is the value, some f of x comma y, means in terms of xy this is the equation. Homogeneous function means here x degree is 2, here x degree 1, y power 1 means the term degree is also equal to 2, and here also y square, this is also second degree. All the terms having the same degree, that is known as the homogeneous function. Here one more definition, f of kx comma ky is equals to some k power n into f of x comma y. If you write the given the function f of xy, if you are able to write f of kx comma ky equals to k power n into f of x comma y, then the function f of xy is called the homogeneous function of degree n. For example, here f of x comma y is equals to, if you take the value ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is the value, then immediately in order to cross check either this is the homogeneous function or not, you can find f of kx comma ky. F of x comma y equal, this is the value. F of kx comma ky means wherever the x value is there, replace kx. Wherever y value is there, replace ky. Then what about this value? A into kx whole square plus 2h into kx into ky plus b into ky whole square. In all these terms, I can common k square. If I common k square, what I can get? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is the value. Means k square into f of x comma y. So that is, here I am writing the whole equation as f of kx comma ky equal to k square into f of x comma y. So that is, here f of x comma y is called as the homogeneous function. Homogeneous function of degree 2. Of degree 2 is the value in this example. Now, what is the definition of the homogeneous differential equation? Homogeneous differential equation means a differential equation in the form of dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y by some g of x comma y, where f comma g are homogeneous functions of same degree. Then the differential equation is known as the homogeneous differential equation. Once again, homogeneous differential equation means a differential equation is in the form of dy by dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y, where f comma g are the homogeneous functions of same degree. Then again, homogeneous function means what I given the definition. Homogeneous function means if f of x comma y is a function, if you find the value f of kx comma ky, if you are able to write the whole function as some k power n into f of x comma y, then the function f of xy is called homogeneous function of degree n is the value. Now next step. Here the thing is solution or solving method of homogeneous differential equation. Now here the question is how we can solve the homogeneous differential equation. So homogeneous differential equation means dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. Okay, one example here I will tell you. Dy by dx is equals to some x plus y by x minus y. Here x plus y, this is the first degree, here denominator x minus y, like this. So this is known as the homogeneous differential equation. Now here the solving method of homogeneous differential equation. How we can solve a homogeneous differential equation? So in this method we have to replace y is equals to vx, substitution method. We have to substitution as y is equals to vx. If I take y is equal to vx, then what is the value? Dy by dx value. Dy by dx equal to v x derivative 1 plus x into dv by dx. By substituting y is equal to vx, then by replacing dy by dx value like this in the given differential homogeneous differential equation, then the homogeneous differential equation, this homogeneous differential equation changes to variable separable method. Once again, a homogeneous differential equation can be solved by substituting y is equals to vx. If I substitute y is equal to vx, wherever y is there, I have to substitute vx, and then automatically dy by dx value as v plus x into dv by dx. Then by replacing in the given homogeneous differential equation, automatically given homogeneous differential equation changes to variable separable method. Already variable separable method for us completed, then you can solve the differential equation. Now few examples basing on this homogeneous differential equation. Here they given one example. F of x comma y is equals to x square y minus here 5 into x y square. Is the function homogeneous function or not? Is it homogeneous or not? Homogeneous or not? Cross check one time. Here f of x y equal to this one. Immediately what we have to find? F of kx comma ky. What is f of kx comma ky means? Wherever x is there, replace kx. Wherever y is there, replace ky. Then what is the value will be? Kx whole square into ky minus 5 into kx into, here it is the value, ky whole square. So here k square into k cube, k into k square, k cube. So I can common k cube. If I common k cube, x square y minus 5xy square is the value, which is equals to k cube into, what about this value? Nothing but f of x comma y, means f of kx comma ky equals to k cube into f of x comma y. Therefore, so f of xy is a homogeneous function of degree. What is the degree here? It is degree 3. Since k cube you got it now, so degree is equal to 3. This is the one example. They are asking about either cross check the given function is homogeneous or not. Now homogeneous differential equation, how you can solve? Here they will give solve the differential equation 2x minus y into dy equal to 2y minus x into dx. Once again, 2x minus y into dy equal to 2y minus x into dx. This is one example. So here student point of view, one doubt. Sir, how we can cross check either the given differential equation it is able to convert into variable separable method or homogeneous? Means for finding the differential equation there is no particular method. If you practice the number of models, then you can estimate which method we have to apply for the corresponding differential equation. That is purely basing upon the practice only. So here the given differential equation is this one. Then simplify given equation. 2x minus y into dy equal to 2y minus x into dx is the value. So from this one, what is the value dy by dx? Dy by dx is equals to 2y minus x by 2x minus y. Here if you observe, numerator is the homogeneous function of degree 1. Denominator is also homogeneous function of degree 1. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. So for homogeneous differential equation, already I told you what is the substitution we have to take here. Y is equals to Vx. So here the value 2y minus x by 2x minus y. To solve the homogeneous differential equation, we have to take let y is equals to Vx. Then what is the value dy by dx value? Dy by dx is equal to v into rate of x value 1 plus x into dv by dx. Replace this value in equation number 1. Instead of dy by dx value, v plus x into dv by dx equal to 2 into y value vx minus x by 2x minus y value vx. If I simplify this value, v plus x into dv by dx is equals to x numerator, x denominator cancel, 2v minus 1 by 2 minus v. Then with this one, x into dv by dx is equals to 2v minus 1 by 2 minus v and plus v, this side minus v. Simplify this value, 2 minus v into, here it is the value, 2v minus 1 minus 2v plus v square is the value. This side x into dv by dx. 2v minus 2v cancel. Then here x into dv by dx is equals to v square minus 1 by 2 minus v. Then here we can separate the variables. How you can separate? 2 minus v by v square minus 1 into dv is equals to dx by x. So here by substituting y is equals to vx, the whole homogeneous differential equation changes to variable separable method. Then how you can differentiate this value? 2 by v square minus 1 into dv one value minus v by v square minus 1 into dv equal to dx by x is the value. So here it is 2 into integral 1 by v square minus 1 into dv one value minus 1 by 2 integral 2v by v square minus 1 dv one value integral 1 by x dx is the value. Now 2 into, what is the formula for this one? Integral 1 by x square minus 1 by 2a into log mod x minus 1 by x plus 1 is the value minus 1 by 2 into this value integral f dash x by fx value log mod v square minus 1 equal to logarithm of x plus integration constant. Every term containing log now. So integration constant also I can write logarithm of c, either c or logarithm of c. To get the best solution I am writing log c. If you confuse, you may keep here c also, no problem. Then this value cancel. Then again in the solution should be contained in terms of x and y only. So here v is there. What is the substitution for v? Here we taken y is equal to vx now. Therefore v is equal to what is value? Y by x. Replace v is equals to y by x in this entire equation. You will get the general solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. Okay.